Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily create a Crunchyroll account using the mobile application. Whether you are a huge anime fan or just getting started, this guide is for you. So first of all, open up your App Store or your Google Play Store. Search for Crunchyroll in the search box. Right after you look for this application over here, make sure you download it on your device. Once the download is complete, tap on Open. In the welcome screen of Crunchyroll app, go ahead and tap on Create Account at the bottom in order to start signing up. Now, in the text box provided, type down an email address and create a password for your account that you are trying to create. If you want to get latest Crunchyroll info, offers and news, you can tap on this little box at the bottom and finally click on Create Account. Now you can go ahead and select your profile, and there you have successfully signed up for Crunchyroll. You can then go ahead and verify your email, check your email inbox and verify it quickly. And after you are done with the verification, you have your own Crunchyroll account. You can start watching your favorite anime shows right from your phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your anime adventure.